Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook account. Let's launch the Facebook app first. Then I want you to go ahead and click on the lower right corner. Then I want you to click on the gear icon at the upper right. When you're at the settings and privacy menu, I want you to click on the first option, Meta Account Center. When you're at Meta Account Center, you want to scroll down to the section Personal Details. You want to click on it. When you're at Personal Details, you want to click on Account Ownership and Control. Essentially, this is where the magic happens. You want to click on Deactivation or Deletion, and you will have a list of accounts currently linked to this Facebook account. Accounts on Instagram, Instagram pages, Facebook pages, and Facebook accounts. You can go individually through these accounts and choose which account to delete and which account to deactivate. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.